Hi, my name is Gay from Spirit Walker Crystals, and today we're going to talk about a protection grid. This is a grid that you can set up in your home. It's good for creating a good energy, but also sending out a protective energy into the room. And if you're then walking in that room, it's going to protect your aura, ready for you for when you go out. So I'm going to come and get the camera so you can have a closer look at what I've got here. That's the overall look at it. So if we break it down, in the centre here, we've got just a normal generator point there. And this generator point is part of the whole grid. It not only generates the crystals that we've got here, but the ones on the outside as well. If I bring it out, you can see here you've got the normal energy grid that we're going to raise afterwards. So when you're laying your crystals down, you start off with a generator point in the centre. And then coming off that, I've got 4 small shards of black tourmaline there. Black tourmaline helps to reflect negative energy or deflect it away from you. I like to think of negative energy being dispersed rather than being sent back to where it came from, in case the other person has got a shield up and then it ends up lurking in the environment and can end up somebody else picking it up, which would then be called a psychic mugging. And these crystals here that I've got, these are black kyanite, and these, as you can see, they come down to a point there and they sort of fan out. And the idea of positioning them in that way is that as the energy field goes into the generator in the middle, it generates the energy and sends it back out. And the fan side will capture it and then bring it out to a point and send it back out into the room. So it's sending a protective energy out. Also, we've got the cross stone here, or chiastolite, and we've got 4 of these positioned on the edges of the black tourmaline there. And again, these are a very highly protective stone to send out protection throughout the day for you. And placed at the 4 corners here as well, we've got some desert rose. And desert rose will help to collect up any sort of rogue negative energy that's lurking around in the room. So these are positioned at 4 points within the spread there. So then if I bring this out a bit further so you can actually see what I'm going to do, I'm then going to raise the energy grid by, if you remember from our other videos, you bring the energy through from this crystal here to the centre and back, and then bring it up to this one here, take it into the centre. So you're visually creating a triangle there. Take it up to this one, into the centre and back, up to the top one, to the centre and back. And you do this all the way around until you've got all your segments complete, and then you raise the energy up through the centre point here to encompass the whole grid. So it's raising all the energy within that grid itself. So as I said, this is a really good one. You can actually extend it out if you wanted to, and put the quartz energy grid right up against the walls of your room, and place this somewhere in your room. Very good if you're having nightmares, for instance. You can actually lay it up underneath your bed. So if you want to know more about crystals, please visit us at spiritwalkercrystals.com.